Hey guys, welcome to our channel, The Adventures of Life. Today we are venturing around Noosa, specifically Sunshine Beach, because there is a absolutely amazing beach, which is kind of a secret. The locals know about it, but if you're not from here, you might not know about it. It's a bit hard to get to, so we got to do some tracking very soon. We'll show you exactly how to do it. But first, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the coffee shops around here at Sunshine Beach, so you can check it out. Absolutely beautiful spot. If you haven't been to Noosa before, it's about an hour's drive north of Brisbane, and has beach, bays, and all sorts of amazing rivers and estuary systems, that sort of thing, and really good food. So let's go check out Sunshine Beach. So this is actually a dog beach called Sunshine Beach that we're at. So that's the main area where you can get to it. So there's two ways you can get to where we're about to go. One is Sunshine Beach, which is actually a dog beach. So there's dogs running around everywhere. Also a very popular surfing beach. But over the top of the big ass hill at the north side of it, go up there, you'll see a lot of people running up and down for fitness. And that's where the little secret beach is that we're going to show you very soon. So it's a bit of an effort to get there, hence why it's a bit of a secret, because people just can't be bothered putting that extra effort in to get to this little private excluded place. So we're going to wander up the mountain now, go and find it. We'll throw up a bit of a map to show you how to get to it, because the little turn off's kind of hard, but you'll figure it out if you have Google Maps on your phone. So let's go walk up this hill. We've come to the top of the turnoff. It's kind of hard to find, so we've got Google Maps open, and you're looking for probably the biggest path down there. Pretty much, I'm not sure if you can see it over my shoulder, but down there is where it's at. So let's get down there. Check out this secret beach.